Hi guys, NEET PG is over. It's finally done and dusted. What to do next? Relax. I know you won't be able to. You will keep asking me, what can I do now? How should I make these days productive? Because all I've been doing is making my days productive all this while. And now I can't get rid of the habit. But let me assure you that these days won't ever come back. So much relaxation won't ever come back, be it residency or be it a drop year. I don't wish you have a drop year, but even if you become a resident, this kind of relaxation won't ever come back. So meet your friends, go on a trip, do wild things. And if you're a geek, you know, you can do some research, do some publications, boost your CV. Look for BLS, ALS courses. These courses can enhance your CV. Also, I want you to, analyze if the marks you're getting, if the rank you will get will be a safe rank. If you're targeting a radiology, for example, are you getting under 2K rank? If not, keep in the mind, strategize for next year. If you're very safe, if you're getting under 1000, then you would call yourself very, very safe, right? You would get your choice of branch, choice of college as well. So consider and decide if you're flexible with that branch. Talk to as many as people as possible, and don't be very, very rigid on the branch that you have selected earlier. I want you to explore all the options. I, for myself, had never thought of doing ophthalmology as a career, for choosing it as my dream branch. I had never thought so. But with a lot of discussion, with a lot of people considering all the options, and I landed up in ophthal, and I'm pretty much happy with it. So I want you to explore. I want you to talk with people who are at the initial stages of their career in that branch, in the middle stages, and who have already peaked. Go and reach out to people, because they will never say no to you. Just get to them, talk with them, explore, be with them, see how their lifestyle is, and if you want that lifestyle too. So I want you to use this time very, very judiciously. If you want to be a neurosurgeon, heck up with the neurosurgeon. Join them, walk with them, talk with them, be with them, sit in their OPD. I don't think anybody will say no to you. I don't think this works. Your medical college has all the departments, most likely. So, just go to that department, see what everybody is doing. That's how you will get to know. So I want you to use this time. Once you've refreshed, once you've recharged, take a decision. If you're getting a safe rank, then maybe think about the branches. If not, think about the preparation. We are also launching our NEET PG preparation plan, NEET PG mentorship program. This is offered on a special discount till 15th of August. Join that batch if you're preparing for NEET 25, if you're serious for NEET 25. If you think you haven't prepared to your potential in this year, I want you to ring me up, text me on WhatsApp, talk to me, and let's see what we can do best. To all the private college students out there, if you're still, not giving yourself another year and just taking a branch after internship, you're not doing justice to your self. You're not doing justice to the brains that God has gifted you. तुमने MBBS कर लिया यार. You're not dumb. Just give yourself another year, prepare hard, prepare to your fullest potential, and then let's see. I'm pretty much sure that you will end up with a government seat. So, give yourself that chance. Contact me. I'll help you. Join the mentorship program. We'll help you get that dream government seat. A lot of people in our mentorship program have improved their scores significantly after the NEET PG delay. And that was just 1.5 months. Work with me, work on yourself, give yourself 6 months and see the difference. Also, I would, want you to stay updated about all the counseling things, about all the announcements, all the forms that are coming up. So for those things, join our Telegram group, join our WhatsApp group. Links will be there in the description. And plan ahead. Okay? Don't just sit idle. Enjoy and then plan ahead. That's what I want from you. There's also a series coming up on how to choose your dream branch. Watch that if you're in the safe ranks and see if that branch really suits you. That's all from this video, guys. Share it with your friends. Comment what you want next and subscribe to the channel. All the very best for your future endeavor, guys. Thank you for watching.